Hi everyone, we're Group A9 and we'll discuss about SDG 12, Responsible Production and Consumption. Our target audience is a common material, plastic. In 2019, Hong Kong's average daily disposal of plastic was about 2,320 tons, accounting for about 21% of the municipal solid waste disposed at Hong Kong landfills. 46.4 million single-use plastic are disposed in Hong Kong every week. Even there is a plastic consumption surge in Hong Kong as takeaways soar under COVID-19. Associated is that plastic use jumped by 50% when dining in the restaurants was banned all day. Foodpanda has seen a 50% increase in demand for Hong Kong takeaways. Yet, under the high demand for plastic, the lifespan of plastic only has barely half an hour. A large proportion of plastic in the rubbish bin are clean but discarded as regular rubbish. Hong Kong is having such an obscure situation, while Hong Kong citizens raise SDG 12 as the least important of the UN Sustainable Development Goals, as Hong Kong aspires to be the freest economy in the world. So, government try not to interfere in any way with our product lines or the behavior of our customers. As a result, there are currently very few regulations in Hong Kong that address areas such as product packaging or any other measures that can be taken to reduce waste. For the purpose of convenience and reducing costs, many merchants will self-regulated and promote products which is environmental friendly. In the following, we will have a look at the efforts that Hong Kong government has made. A plastic-free takeaway, reusable tableware pilot campaign led by the government was established in the food and beverage industry. It targets reducing plastic disposables in 3 major fast food chains in Hong Kong and later expand to cover more restaurants and even online takeaway platforms. They were not going to provide plastic straws, but provide paper or stainless steel straws instead, showing their responsibility in reducing plastic consumption. It finally reduced more than 1.2 million sets of disposable plastic tableware from ending up in landfills and oceans. It also raised awareness of the importance of plastic-free products and promoted behavioral changes. It is great to hear that more Hong Kong residents are bringing their own dishware. Shopping bags are the most common plastic waste. To reduce its consumption, Hong Kong residents are now charged $1 Hong Kong if they want a plastic bag when they check out. Statistics show that the use of plastic bags declined by about 80% in the first year, but has since rebounded. Looking into citizens' reactions to this policy, we reveal the reasons behind the rebound. To fix the scheme, a government group proposed the charge should be increased to $2 Hong Kong, while the Society for Community Organization thought the charge itself doesn't matter, but it's a reminder road to bring their own bag. The people being affected by this policy are mainly the lower income class, while those who waste most may not be reminded by this slight change in charging. Then we question ourselves, are these initiatives enough? Although they are efficient to some degree, plastic waste control is a complicated process, including multiple aspects, in many of which Hong Kong is facing challenges and need further efforts. So, what are the issues? Hong Kong lacks facility to recycle plastic. In 2017, only 32% of the waste was recycled. Much rubbish in Hong Kong ended up in landfills and oceans. To solve this problem, Hong Kong government has to set up more recycling points and facilities to make recycling more accessible to Hong Kong residents. Second, simply increasing plastic bag charges is not enough. Product packaging is still a problem. Hong Kong government should target supermarkets, and manufacturing firms should cut down plastic waste from the source.
In conclusion, Hong Kong is facing a significant challenge in managing its plastic waste. The citizens' reaction to the government's plastic bag policy highlights the complexity of managing plastic waste and the need for a comprehensive approach that involves all stakeholders. To achieve SDG 12 and reduce plastic waste, the Hong Kong needs to strengthen regulations and encourage more sustainable consumption habits among citizens and businesses.